Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom and abundance? What if I told you that you could get rich in just half a year? It might sound like a far-fetched idea, but it's entirely possible with the right mindset and strategies. In this video, we will unlock the secrets to wealth and show you how to go from zero to a millionaire in just 6 months. So get ready to embark on a transformative journey that will change your life forever. Step 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. The first step towards getting rich is adopting a millionaire mindset. This means shifting your perspective and embracing a belief system that aligns with wealth and abundance. Let's dive deeper into the key aspects of cultivating a millionaire mindset. 1. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can bring your dreams to reality. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living a life of luxury and comfort. Picture the financial freedom you desire, the opportunities that come your way, and the positive impact you can have on others. By vividly visualizing your success, you set a clear intention and attract the necessary elements to achieve it. 2. Embrace abundance. Let go of the scarcity mindset and embrace abundance. Believe that there is enough wealth in the world for everyone and that you deserve to be prosperous. Abundance thinking opens the doors to infinite possibilities and allows you to pursue your dreams without limitations. 3. Take inspired action. Inspired action is the bridge between your mindset and your results. Take small steps every day that move you closer to your goals. These actions, driven by your newfound mindset, will compound over time and lead you to financial success. 4. Learn from role models. Study the habits, behaviors, and strategies of successful millionaires. Identify role models who inspire you and emulate their journey. By understanding what has worked for others, you gain valuable insights and accelerate your path to wealth. 5. Believe in your worth. Believe that you are worth investing in and that you can achieve extraordinary things. Have faith in your abilities and value your unique contributions to the world. When you believe in yourself, others will believe in you too. Step 2. Invest in yourself. To become wealthy, you must prioritize investments in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and personal growth are the foundation for building long-term wealth. Consider the following ways to invest in yourself. 1. Education and training. Commit to continuous learning and invest in your education. Acquire new skills and deepen your knowledge in areas that interest you or relate to your career. The more you learn, the more value you can provide and the greater your earning potential becomes. 2. Health and well-being. Your health is your wealth. Make investments in your physical and mental well-being. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, and manage stress effectively. A healthy body and mind are essential for success in all areas of life. 3. Time management. Invest in developing strong time management skills. Learn to prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and optimize your schedule. Effective time management allows you to focus on high-impact activities that generate wealth. 4. Personal development. Invest in your personal development by reading books, attending seminars, or seeking mentorship. Work on your soft skills, emotional intelligence, and leadership abilities. These investments will enhance your confidence, communication skills, and overall effectiveness. 5. Build your network. Networking is crucial for wealth creation. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with like-minded individuals. Your network can provide you with valuable opportunities, support, and guidance throughout your journey. Step 3. Explore multiple income streams. To accelerate your path to riches, it's essential to explore various income streams beyond your regular job. Let's discover some lucrative side hustles that can boost your earnings. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media marketing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you find clients and build a freelance business. 2. Online business. Start an online business that aligns with your interests and expertise. You can sell products or services directly to customers through an e-commerce website or online marketplace. 3. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Build an audience and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 4. Investing. Explore different investment opportunities such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Educate yourself about investment strategies and build a diversified portfolio to grow your wealth over time. 5. Passive income. Seek out passive income opportunities such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or online courses. These income streams require minimal ongoing effort and can provide a steady cash flow. Step 4. Live below your means. To build wealth, it's crucial to adopt a lifestyle that prioritizes saving and investing over extravagant spending. Living below your means is a fundamental principle for achieving financial success. Let's explore the key aspects of living below your means. 1. Track your expenses. Keep track of your income and expenses to understand your financial situation. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. To create a budget, develop a realistic budget that allocates funds to essential expenses, savings, and investments. Stick to your budget and avoid impulse purchases. Prioritize your financial goals over temporary pleasures. 3. Save and invest regularly. Establish a habit of saving and investing regularly. Automate your savings by setting up direct deposits into your investment or savings accounts. Consistency is key to building wealth over time. 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Resist the temptation to increase your lifestyle as your income grows. Maintain a frugal mindset and continue living modestly. This will allow you to save and invest a larger portion of your earnings. 5. Focus on experiences over material possessions. Shift your focus from acquiring material possessions to creating lasting experiences and memories. Travel, adventure, and personal growth opportunities can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Step 5. Embrace continuous learning. To stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing circumstances, it's vital to embrace continuous learning. Let's discuss some practical ways to incorporate lifelong learning into your routine. 1. Read books. Make reading a daily habit. Dedicate time each day to read books that inspire you, educate you, or help you grow personally and professionally. To attend workshops and events. Participate in workshops, seminars, and industry events related to your field of interest. These gatherings provide opportunities to learn new skills and connect with like-minded individuals. 3. Take online courses. Enroll in online courses to develop your skills and knowledge in specific areas. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer a wide range of courses on various topics. 4. Listen to podcasts. Tune into podcasts that cover topics related to your personal or professional growth. Listening to podcasts can be a great way to learn while commuting or doing chores. 5. Seek mentorship. Find mentors who can guide and support your learning journey. Connect with experienced professionals in your field and seek their advice and recommendations. Becoming a millionaire in 6 months is an ambitious goal that requires a combination of a millionaire mindset, investment in yourself, multiple income streams, living below your means, and continuous learning. By embracing these principles and taking consistent action, you can pave the way for financial success. Remember, it's never too late to start. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your financial dreams. Before we wrap up this video, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on becoming a millionaire in 6 months? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, share it with them. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.